Today, we're going to walk through how to use the Meshtastic touchscreen on the Heltec V4 expansion box. We've already installed the firmware in advance. Please note that touchscreen support is available on Heltec V4 firmware version 2.7.14 and above. First, press and hold the power button on the expansion box for about 3 seconds to turn it on. After booting up, you'll see the default Classic UI. In this interface, you can navigate using either the buttons or the touchscreen. A short press on the user button moves forward, and a long press confirms selections, while the 35 button takes you back. You can also simply tap the screen to go to the next page, or long press it to confirm or enter a menu. Both touch and physical controls work smoothly and can be used interchangeably. Next, on the LoRa info page, long press the screen to access the settings. Here, you can configure options such as device role, LoRa region, and other LoRa parameters. By default, the expansion box enables sound feedback on first startup. Every touch or button press will trigger a beep. If you'd like to turn this sound off, go to System, long press to enter, select Notifications, and then open Buzzer mode. You'll find 5 different modes, simply choose the one that fits your preference. Now let's switch to the new touchscreen interface, also known as the MUI. In the System menu, long press to enter, select Reboot/Shutdown, then choose Switch to MUI, and confirm with Yes. After rebooting, the device will enter the full-screen MUI Touch UI. If the display turns off, press the user button to wake it up. In the MUI interface, all operations can be done through touchscreen gestures. When you enter a channel, an on-screen keyboard will appear, allowing you to type and send messages directly. This enables full Meshtastic functionality on the device, no phone app required. To switch from the MUI interface back to the Classic UI, go to Settings, select Reboot/Shutdown, then press and hold the Bluetooth icon in the center to confirm. Tap OK, and after a short reboot, the device will return to the Classic interface. If you accidentally tap the Bluetooth icon instead of long pressing it, the device may enter programming mode. If that happens, simply press and hold the Bluetooth icon again to exit and return to MUI. Once you're back in MUI, repeat the same steps, Settings Reboot/Shutdown, long press the Bluetooth icon OK, and the device will switch back to the Classic UI. For more Meshtastic settings and advanced configuration, please refer to the Meshtastic official documentation.